Hello guys, this is our RFID bus fare payment system, and in this system we have tried to pay our bus fare digitally, so that we do not have the problem to carry cash, and we don't have to pay in cash. So let us see how what is our system and how does it work. First of all, I will give an introduction about the components of our system. This is LCD, where the information about the user and his account is displayed. This is keypad, from where we have to give input to the microcontroller. This is RFID tag. This is RFID reader, which will read the card number. This is a card which will read its number, and this card is issued to every user at the time of membership. And every card has its unique identification number, so there is no chance of any error unless the card is lost. So let's see how this works. First, here is written press asterisk, so we will press asterisk and continue the process. Then swipe your card, so we will swipe this card from near, we will bring this card near the RFID reader, and it will read the card number. The card number is displayed here, and it shows the name of the user. So here is welcome Steve. Now we will press any key to continue further. It has asked for our PIN code, which we can choose at the time of membership. So this is my PIN code, and it has, after entering the PIN code, it has asked to confirm. Now we will confirm this. Then it will go further. It has shown us that our current balance is Rs1000. Now we will press any key, and it will ask the station from where we have got in the bus. Now we will press the station number. At the moment I have pressed 1 and I have pressed enter key. Then it will ask the station where we are going to get off the bus. Now I will enter the station number 3. Then I will press enter. Then it has calculated our fee, and it has deducted from our main balance. In this way this works. Thank you.